Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Microfarm. Today, I'm going to explain in detail why adopting chickens when you have fruit trees is such a brilliant idea. If you have fruit trees in your garden or orchard, integrating chickens into that space can completely transform the way your trees grow and produce. I'm going to talk about all the benefits that chickens bring to your trees and why this combination is simply unbeatable. First, let's talk about pest control. Chickens are natural predators of insects. They spend their days scratching the ground and pecking at everything they find: worms, larvae, insects, and even small slugs. This might seem simple, but it's a major advantage for your trees. Pests like caterpillars or beetle larvae can severely damage the roots, trunks, and even the fruits of your trees. By introducing chickens into your orchard, you have a natural and effective way to control these pest populations without using chemicals. The result: healthier trees and higher quality fruit. Next, there's the effect on the soil. Chickens naturally aerate the soil by scratching it. This might seem like a small thing, but well-aerated soil is crucial for root health. When the soil is aerated, water and nutrients can penetrate more easily and be absorbed by the roots of the trees. This promotes stronger and more extensive root development, which makes your trees more robust and more resilient to periods of drought or stress. Soil aerated by chickens is also more crumbly and less compacted, making it easier to work with if you need to intervene. But that's not all. Chickens are also walking fertilizers. Their droppings are extremely rich in nitrogen, an essential nutrient for plant growth. This nitrogen is gradually released into the soil, providing your trees with a constant supply of nutrients. By adopting chickens, you reduce the need for chemical fertilizers while improving the growth and productivity of your trees. Over time, you'll notice a significant difference in the quality of the foliage and fruit. Trees nourished by chicken droppings are often more vigorous and produce larger, tastier fruits. In addition to all this, chickens also help control weeds. By scratching the ground in search of food, they uproot young weed shoots before they can take root and compete with your trees for water and nutrients. This means less work for you since you won't have to weed as much, and more resources available for your trees. Chickens also create a beneficial microclimate around the trees. By being constantly active under the trees, they help maintain a certain level of humidity and create a favorable environment for soil microorganisms. These microorganisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients, and maintaining a fertile soil. With chickens under your trees, you contribute to creating a balanced ecosystem where soil life thrives. There's also a practical aspect to consider. Chickens can help manage organic waste from the garden. If you have leftover fruit, dead leaves, or vegetable peelings, chickens love it. Not only do they feed on this waste, but they also transform it into nutrient-rich compost through their droppings. It's a virtuous cycle where nothing is wasted and everything is transformed for the benefit of your orchard. Another often overlooked advantage is security. Chickens can deter certain larger predators or pests, such as rodents, which can damage roots or gnaw on fallen fruit. Some chicken breeds are even quite territorial and will make noise or gather in groups to scare off intruders, adding an extra layer of protection for your trees. Finally, there's an aesthetic and emotional aspect. An orchard where chickens roam freely is not only pleasing to the eye, but it also brings a certain life and dynamic to your garden. The sound of chickens, their curious behavior, and simply having animals in your orchard create a soothing and lively atmosphere. It's a daily pleasure to watch these animals move around under your trees, knowing they're actively working to keep your orchard healthy and productive. In conclusion, adopting chickens when you have fruit trees ensures numerous benefits for your garden and for you. Chickens aren't just egg producers. They are tireless gardeners who take care of your trees, enrich your soil, and simplify your daily work. It's a true symbiosis, where each element supports the other to create a sustainable, productive, and harmonious ecosystem. If you're still hesitating, I strongly encourage you to give it a try. You'll quickly see how much your trees will thank you, and you'll enjoy more abundant and higher quality harvests.